Hi guys, okay, new technology number two. Now I see on the paperwork I'm not allowed to use well sites I've not used before, and I'd never heard of Kahoot, so I had to have a look. And yeah, it was great. I was really shocked. I'd never seen it before. Maybe I'm shielded here in Thailand. Okay, Kahoot. Yeah, I signed up and it's fantastic. See if I can find what is Kahoot. Game-based learning platforms. If I set up an account, and I will use this resource, I think it's great, especially as a time killer or a filler. Really, it's fantastic. You've got trivia quizzes. Upgrade now. There you go, MR Blackley. It's brilliant. Love it. I've never used it before, and yeah, certainly use it again. Um, Lots of games. It reminded me a little bit of education.com with the interactive games and some of the quizzes. Didn't have quizzes education.com, but Kahoot seems probably better for the older students in the after school clubs, especially in general knowledge and a bit of fun. So yeah, that's great. I won't waffle too much, but I thought it was great. Why did I select it? It's fun. It's interactive learning. It's great for kids, really. What was my purpose? It'd act as a really good filler, time killer, bit of fun, a reward, a beat monster points, a reward. So yeah, a reward really, a bit of fun, interaction with the other students. Yeah, a bit of a competition. Intended audience, yeah, students, 100%. Students to IGCSE standards. Okay, I had a look at these. Not a difficult one really. Well, it is, but it's not. ICSE's 3C, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration, digital tools, I reckon it was that one. And also systems designer, 4A, lead teams to establish a robust infrastructure and systems needed. It can obviously handle crowds, this game, so yeah, not going to outgrow it with more students that turn up in a class one day. And I reckon it's another game that's just going to evolve. So yeah, good game. I'd use it again. I've signed up now, so I've got to use it. All right. Have a nice evening, everyone. Cheers. Bye bye.